Not using bank feeds for your business in Sage? Stop scrolling and save hours every month on bank transactions. Bank feeds create a secure connection between your bank account and Sage Accounting, so your transactions flow into your books automatically, usually daily. You don't incur additional cost for bank feeds from Sage, and these are the participating banks in South Africa: Absa, FNB, Standard Bank, Nedbank, and Capitec. To set up bank feeds, you'll sign in with your online banking details. It's quick, it's easy. Just have your login information ready.
The sun walks slow across the sky.
I get this question a lot. How far back can bank feeds link transactions in Sage? Usually you'll get about 90 days of history when you first connect your bank account.
The earth is singing.
Now, bank feeds aren't live or instant. Sage typically pulls new posted transactions once a day, so don't expect them to appear immediately. If you need an update sooner, you can use fetch transactions manually. Bank feeds are simply a secure connection for your accounting. They bring transactions into Sage, but they don't pay bills. That's one of the reasons they are safe to use. Let's talk about the part that nobody advertises. Bank feeds can suddenly stop working. This usually happens when the bank runs software updates or when you change your online banking details. Sage will usually pop up a warning, and the fix is usually quick. Just reconnect and enter your updated details. Worst case, remove the existing bank feed and set it up again from scratch. The biggest drawback, not every banking profile will link to Sage. For example, business accounts tied to personal profiles or mobile app-only profiles don't work with bank feeds. So yes, bank feeds can be brilliant when they connect. You can log into Sage and your bank transactions will already be there automatically. And if bank feeds don't work on your banking profile, follow Plan B. Import your statement using OFX or CSV. I've got step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to do both.